Good morning everyone. Welcome back to the 8th part of the video, and this is your educator for EVS grade 3, and in this video I am going to give a brief introduction about types of houses. So what are the factors and conditions on which the different kinds of houses depend? So let us start with an example. As we all move from one place to another or from one city to different city, so you all observe that the houses is different in different areas or in different cities. Okay, suppose if we move to the hill stations like Manali or Shimla, or we can move to Jammu and Kashmir, we will see the structure or the shape of houses is different from our area. So why is it so? What is the reason behind the change in the shape of houses from our area? Okay, so if we talk about what are the conditions or the factors that depend for different types of houses that we can see in different areas, so there are many factors. And in India, if we talk about the first factor, then in India there are different climate in different areas. Okay, so the first factor on which the types of houses depend is climate of an area, in which area we are going to make the house. So if we don't know what is climate, then let us see. First I will explain what is climate. So the change in weather for a longer duration, okay, either for 2 months, 3 months, so that change in weather condition is called as climate. And if we talk about the sudden change in atmosphere only for few hours or for 24 hours, so that condition or that change in atmosphere is called as weather. But if the timing duration is increased for or a longer duration, then on that condition we will called as climate. So in India the climate is different in different areas. So based on that the houses is built on the basis of climate. Like in hill stations the climate is colder, so the houses will be built on the basis of that condition. Okay, and in some areas the climate is moderate, like sometimes summer and sometimes winter, so that is also the climate condition. So in that area the houses will be in different shape and different structure. So this is the first factor of types of houses, so climate of an area. Now we will see the second factor in the next video. Good morning everyone. So welcome back to the 9th part of the video, and this is your educator for EVS grade 3. So I am going to discuss about the second factor of different types of houses. So the second factor on which the types of houses depend is location of an area. Here the term location mean the area of the earth's surface where we are going to build the house, as our earth comprises of different places like mountains, plains, forests and desert. So what is the area where we are going to build our house? So that area is considered as location. Either the location is mountain, plain, forest location or desert. Okay, so the houses that we built will depend on the location of an area. Suppose if we talk about the mountain area, then in mountain area there is present of lots of stone. So on the basis of that condition the house is built. Plain is just a flat surface of the earth. Forest, where lots of plants and woods are present, so the houses will be built on that basis. And in desert there is very less plant present, so the condition and the climate of desert area will be changed, like the desert area will be warmer, so the house will be built on that basis. So this is all about the location of an area where we are going to build our house. Now we will see the third factor, that is building material. So the third factor indicates that the house that we are going to build, what materials should be needed for building such kind of houses. Like different houses will be built on different materials like concrete, then iron rods, okay, muds. So the building materials should be easily available on that area where we are going to build the houses. So this is the third factor, materials. Now the fourth factor is amount of money spent on it. How much money we are going to spend on building the houses, okay, and what comfortable we are going to get from that house. So the money that we are going to spend is the fourth factor for the types of houses.